What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release August 17th. But before we get into that review, wanted to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 5 Dark Concord. These right here have a release date of August 6th. If you're interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, you can do so on FineLine1721.com. They will be shipping out before release dates. Also, I do have a full review of these live on the channel if you want to check it out. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Blacked out Jordan box, golden brown Jumpman logo sitting right here in the middle. And this box has the same style that you normally get on a pair of Retro 13s. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 14 Retro, light ginger, black, white, size 10.5 we're gonna be taking a look at. Go ahead and flip this lid up, blacked out paper sitting on top of white paper. Let's peel this back and now let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 14 Ginger. First thing first, these do come with the tissue paper instead of the cardboard shoe tree. Getting right into the top-down view of the shoe. Blacked out sock liner, black insole with the white Jumpman logo, golden brown Jordan branding sitting on the top, and the golden brown Roman numeral 14 right here on the back. Black shoestring sitting on top of a very soft suede tongue, black Jumpman logo sitting right here on top of the toe box, smooth white leather right here on the toe cap, going around to the lateral side of the shoe. Light ginger suede uppers sitting on top of the pearl white midsole, which sits on top of the black carbon fiber, leading us down to the outsoles of the shoe. Black herringbone traction, white accent right here on the heel, golden brown Roman numeral 14 right here in the toe. Taking a look at the back of the shoe, black Jumpman logo sitting on top of the white circle, inside of the bubble, which is based off of kind of like the Ferrari logo. Going around to the heel of the shoe, all white Jumpman logo sitting on top of the white 2-3, and we got the light ginger brown brake lights. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. That about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 14 Ginger. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, you can do so on FineLine1721.com. They will be shipping out before the release date. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.